United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 74, delimitation of the exclusive economic zone between states with opposite or adjacent coasts. 1. The delimitation of the exclusive economic zone between states with opposite or adjacent coasts shall be effected by agreement on the basis of international law, as referred to in Article 38 of the Statute of the International Court of Justice, in order to achieve an equitable solution. 2. If no agreement can be reached within a reasonable period of time, the states concerned shall resort to the procedures provided for in Part 15. 3. Pending agreement as provided for in Paragraph 1, the states concerned, in a spirit of understanding and cooperation, shall make every effort to enter into provisional arrangements of a practical nature, and during this transitional period, not to jeopardize or hamper the reaching of the final agreement. Such arrangements shall be without prejudice to the final delimitation. 4. Where there is an agreement in force between the states concerned, questions relating to the delimitation of the exclusive economic zone shall be determined in accordance with the provisions of that agreement.